How to set up a React.js project with Vite and Tailwind in 2025. Here, let me show you how. First, create a folder for your React projects. Now create a folder for your React project. Name it anything you want. Open it in VS Code or any terminal. Now in terminal enter following command, npm create vite at latest. Provide a name for your package, you can name it anything. Use up-down arrow key on your keyboard to navigate, select React, then select JavaScript, select No then select Yes. Now npm will install required packages, give it a little time. Your project is successfully set up. Open the link in your browser and you can see your React.js project. Okay, now to install Tailwind, enter this command in your terminal. Tailwind is installed in your project, but we need to do some configuration to make it run. First go to vite.config.js and add these two codes. Now go to index.css and add this line. Now to test if our Tailwind is running. Let's just add some classes and see if it is running. npm run dev to start live server. All the styles are implemented so Tailwind is running. This is it. Now I will just remove unnecessary files to set up my project. I don't need all this boilerplate code. All these CSS is unnecessary now. Remove this. Let's change the title, remove the favicon. Feels clean. Let's add a little styling. Center the text. Better. Let's update our README file. Thanks for watching. Let me know if you get any errors. All the commands are provided in description.